Are you f***ing blind?
On his brand new Ninja H2, this rider reads the situation wrong for just a moment. As the pickup swings wide, the rider commits to the pass, but then suddenly the truck turns into the parking spot. Coming into this corner a little too hot and on a bad line, this rider hesitates instead of committing. A mistake that straightens the bike up and runs him wide, and he's not happy about it.
Надо же было так. Are you blind? Are you blind?
Pulling up to a stop sign, this rider doesn't notice a nearby SUV trying to reverse out of their driveway. And when he moves up, things begin to go sideways in a hurry.
What the f***? Are you f***ing blind? Are you f***ing blind? Are you f***ing blind?
Usually people apologize.
Oh, really?
Lane splitting past a van in traffic, this rider continues on like normal. But for some reason, the driver takes issue, and at the next light, pulls up looking for an apology.
Sir, you almost bumped my car.
Wait, hold up. What's up?
You almost bumped my car.
I didn't though.
Yeah, but you almost did.
Oh, okay. Well, it was almost an issue then.
Usually people apologize.
Oh, really? I would apologize if I hit you, otherwise shut the f*** up.
Forgive you.
Okay. If I hit you, then there'd be an issue. If not, f*** off.
I'm pointing it out.
Okay. I'm in control myself.
That's funny. And you just swore at me, so you're not in control.
Oh no, I'm in control of my bike.
You're in control like a woman.
Okay.
As a rider, spotting danger before it happens is everything. And when an older driver pulls out unexpectedly on him, quick awareness is the only thing that prevents a potential season-ending crash.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Oh my God.
Trying to work through traffic while lane splitting, this rider picks a spot that's just a little too tight.
Ого, ого.
When approaching any intersection, especially right after a light turns green, this clip shows why looking both ways before crossing can save your ride.
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This rider gets cut off by a driver who seems to be more focused on finding parking than watching traffic. And after one frustrated honk, instant karma arrives fast.
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 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 Yes. That's great. Dude, that was amazing.
Riding well beyond what the road allows, this rider finds out firsthand just how violent speed wobbles can be. Remember guys, take it to the track for speeds like this. After being cut off by the red car, this rider's frustration builds and he finally loses it. And even moments later, as he's about to enter the intersection, he trusts traffic to stop, and nearly pays for it when one car doesn't see him going.
Yes, sir. On the phone.
After getting sideswiped, the rider circles back in order to sort things out. But before anything can even begin to be resolved, his friend steps in, and that's when things get out of hand quick.
Dur.
A few moments later.
And now, after watching his friend get hit and slammed onto the hood, cracking the windshield, the driver takes off, and the two riders hop back on their bikes and begin to chase him.